Are you worried about your files after a major software glitch? Or are you on your phone standing in line at an airport wanting to know what is happening? Well, you're not alone. In today's digital age, our reliance on technology means that any disruption can send ripples through our daily lives. From personal files to critical business operations, the impact of a software malfunction can be far-reaching and deeply unsettling. Hi, I'm Mark with Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. I wanted to jump on this story and give you the most current information I can find to inform you. Here it is. On Friday, a software update from cybersecurity giant CrowdStrike sent shockwaves across the globe. This wasn't just any minor hiccup. It was a significant event that caught the attention of IT departments and individual users alike. The update, intended to enhance security, instead caused widespread disruption. Airports, banks, and businesses were left scrambling due to a defect in the update for Microsoft Windows systems. Imagine the chaos at airports with flight schedules disrupted, or banks where transactions came to a halt. Businesses, big and small, faced operational challenges, highlighting just how interconnected and dependent we are on seamless software performance. CEO George Kurtz quickly apologized, assuring customers that this wasn't a security breach or cyber attack. The culprit? A glitch in the Falcon software affecting only Windows users. Kurtz's swift response aimed to calm the storm, emphasizing transparency and accountability in the face of the unexpected. On Friday, Kurtz posted the following statement about the event. CrowdStrike is actively working with customers impacted by a defect found in a single content update for Windows hosts. Mac and Linux hosts are not impacted. This is not a security incident or cyber attack. The issue has been identified, isolated, and a fix has been deployed. We refer customers to the support portal for the latest updates and will continue to provide complete and continuous updates on our website. We further recommend organizations ensure they're communicating with CrowdStrike representatives through official channels. Our team is fully mobilized to ensure the security and stability of CrowdStrike customers. So to get into a bit more detail, here's the up-to-date information as of the release of this video. A glitch in the Falcon software, affecting only Windows users. This glitch, while significant, was not a result of malicious activity, but rather an unforeseen error in the update process. Engineers and developers immediately began diagnosing the problem, working around the clock to find a solution. While Mac and Linux users remained unscathed, Windows systems were crashing left and right. The disparity in impact highlighted the diverse ecosystem of operating systems and the unique challenges each one presents. For Windows users, the frustration was palpable as they faced repeated crashes and system errors. CrowdStrike's engineers jumped into action, guiding users to reboot and resolve the issue. Their expertise and quick response were crucial in mitigating the fallout. Step-by-step instructions were provided, and support lines were flooded with calls from users seeking assistance. Despite the chaos, Kurtz emphasized that customers' data remained secure. This assurance was vital in maintaining trust, as data security is paramount in today's digital landscape. The company's commitment to protecting user data, even amidst technical difficulties, was a reassuring message. CrowdStrike, known for thwarting high-profile hacks and safeguarding Fortune 500 companies, is working tirelessly to restore normalcy. Their reputation as a leader in cybersecurity means that expectations are high, and they are determined to meet those expectations by resolving the issue swiftly and effectively. So, while this hiccup caused quite a stir, remember, even the best in cybersecurity can have off days. It's a reminder that technology, while powerful, is not infallible. The key is how companies respond to such challenges, and CrowdStrike's proactive approach is a testament to their dedication. Stay tuned for updates and keep those systems rebooted. As the situation evolves, continuous communication and updates will be essential. Users are encouraged to stay informed and follow the guidance provided to ensure their systems remain secure and functional.